working for success and I am here for good and good. Thank you, my students. You people can sit down. What class is this?
Yes, silver class.
Silver class. How many of you know me? Okay, thank you. My name is Uncle Zeus. I am here to see my students. You understand me? Do you understand?
Yes.
I am young now. Igbo follow them was asking onye chi ya zelo. Una cheta this boy. Oh, nwa pure water ama. Mme video tie day. Ma flash nye video. Asi no ka mgba ya touch ka mmakwa mo na aga. So ke you nwekwa na egwa Zeus family.
Zeus family make any like you. Ka chukwu magic ko pajila haji zo. Owa di ya ga ko na tumi no wa. Nga be sure ga be kwa ga she dey God will bless you, bless your family, bless your generations in Jesus' name. Amen. Thank you, Lord Zeus family.
Enje me video na agbafa video bụ na ndị nke n'obodo m nso ka dị na-eme video. Unu na-echeta base of tomorrow. Auntie, get one performance is trying. Ke yo ma last time. Kora de yo. Ke yo ba. Okay, get your position. 15 out of 20. 15 out of 40. Try to do better these days, okay? Ekene kwa all of Zeus family. Ndị niile na support here. Today I will read with you people. Basic science. Okay, social study. Okay, Afro traditional practices. How many types of Afro traditional practices do we have?
11.
11?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, mention them.
The Odu system. The Roman system. Slavery. Female colonization. Manipulation of widows. Illegal operation. Child marriage. Individual taboos. Discrimination laws. Superstition beliefs. Witchcraft and burning.
Clap for you yourself. So I don't know who that cannot be. Let me not waste you people's time. I will start going. Okay? Don't mind my English. We that read Cambridge is we get as we take to arrange our own English. Do you get my diploma?
Yes.
So I say God bless Lord Zeus family.
God bless the Zeus family.
Because it can only get better.
Because it can only get better.
Konye chief. That's